What is a digital payment overlay service? Let's start with the diagram below. For the time being, let's forget about the overlay services part of the diagram. Instead, let's focus on the other aspect of the diagram. You can quickly determine what you are seeing is a simplified view of your current payment ecosystem. Now, let's turn back to the digital overlay service piece located at the top of the diagram. You will notice that there are some icons in the diagram. These icons are meant to represent a digital payment overlay. You should start to understand that digital overlay services do not require you to rip and replace any of your current infrastructure. All that is required is another layer, hence the term overlay. So now you understand what the term overlay means. Now let's discuss the term digital. I know most of you probably already know this, but it's worth saying so that we are all on the same page. Digital refers to the form factor your service will be provided through. For example, a mobile phone, a tablet, or a smartwatch. So that leaves us with the term service, which simply means providing some capability of value. And as bankers, we all know all about services. So, in summary, a digital payment overlay service is an added value payment service that's delivered through some sort of mobile device above and beyond a basic payment. So now that we understand what a digital payment overlay is, let's move on to an example of a digital payment overlay service so we can reinforce our understanding. Let's take an example of a typical transaction between two parties. One person chooses to purchase something or agrees to a service. The next step is for the payee to present an invoice or a bill. Once the payer receives the bill or invoice, the payer is responsible for making the payment. This is typically done via cash, check, debit card, or credit card. This is how we do business today. Doing business this way has led to billions of dollars in fraud invoicing, according to the FBI. Also has caused payment delays, and not to mention a host of reconciliation issues. By implementing a request to pay overlay service, you can leverage the bank's security infrastructure as well as its real-time payment rails, allowing both payers and payees a secure and safe environment, along with an expedited settlement process, thereby negating fraud invoices, payment delays, and reconciliation issues. This is the epitome of adding value to a basic payment.